high-performance pet vacuum. So we all know life with kids and pets can get beyond messy, with all that fur and dirt and glitter and almost anything else you can think of getting all over the house. And that's where the high-performance pet comes in. It's Hoover's best cleaning bagless vacuum with all the powerful suction I need to keep up with life, combined with exclusive WindTunnel 3 technology. Now, when I clean, there's no going over the same spot again and again, like I have with other vacuums. It's got an incredibly effective quick pass brush roll, meaning I can clean all that daily debris up to 2 times faster. And I can get to those out-of-reach messes I often forget to clean, like here on the vent, the cracks on the couch, and even fur left by Buddy. It really is a must-have for busy homes. Plus, Hoover thought of everything. HEPA filtration, a large dirt cup, and even a 40-foot power cord to go almost anywhere. It's like they made it just for me and my family. So give the Hoover High Performance Pet a shot. I think you'll love it as much as I do.
Dyson Ball Animal has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adjusts to seal in suction across all floor types. And its brush bar digs deep into carpets to remove more dirt. Radial root cyclone technology helps remove dust, dirt and allergens from your home. And with whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It rides on a ball, which means it steers smoothly, turns on the spot with a simple twist of the wrist and cleans along edges with ease. With a wand and hose that release in one action, the Dyson Ball Animal is easy to use for cleaning up high, and extra tools clean dirt and hair from awkward places. Dyson vacuums are tested under extreme conditions and are engineered to last 10 years.
The Shark Navigator Lift-Away 0M Speed is a 2-in-1 upright vacuum with a detachable canister for whole home cleaning power on hard floors, on carpets, and above the floor areas. Lift-Away technology allows you to remove the canister so that you can easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. To activate Lift-Away and detach the canister from the cleaner head, simply press the Lift-Away button on the bottom side of the pod underneath the accessory holder. To use in lift-away mode with extended reach, just press the wand button on the back of the pod to disconnect the wand from the canister. Attach an accessory to the wand to easily clean hard-to-reach areas. To clean above the floor surfaces in lift-away mode, press the handle button to disconnect the handle from the wand. Next, attach the accessory of your choice to the handle to maximize cleaning.
has separate clean and dirty water tanks, so you're never cleaning with dirty water. To start cleaning, take off the clean water tank, remove the cap, and add warm water up to the fill line. Then add 3 ounces of Hoover's Paws and Claws solution, or follow the instructions on the bottle of your preferred Hoover solution. Also, try one of our Clean Compliments formula boosters to extend your carpet cleaning freshness. Simply add it in along with the Hoover solution of your choice. Now put the tank back on top, press down, and you're ready to go. To clean, recline the cleaner with this pedal and use the red pedal to turn it on. Now squeeze the trigger and slowly push forward to clean. Push much more slowly than you would vacuum. Let go of the trigger and slowly pull back to dry. The dual spin power brushes will give a deep, powerful clean. And with the wide 13-inch cleaning path, you'll be able to clean your carpets and rugs in no time. If your carpets are still damp, you can continue slowly pushing and pulling without pressing the trigger, and it'll dry your carpet even more. Our heat force feature will blow hot air to help get you back on your carpets faster. To use the Spots and Stains pet tool, first stand at the handle, open the hose connector port, and firmly push the hose in. Then connect the tool to the other end. Holding the tool above the area you wish to clean, press the trigger and spray water and solution on the area. Then release the trigger, lay the tool down flat, and scrub to loosen the debris. And finally, tip it forward and pull back slowly to extract the dirt and water.